Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, back with another 10 dollar store items you are going to want to get right away. So let's get started. The first item on the list are these adorable bunny ears. They are cute if you want to wear bunny ears, but I also like them as a really good crafting supply. So what I'm planning to do with these that kind of look like faux fur, they're pretty high quality, they have wire in them so you can position them how you like. I'm going to make a wreath with mine. So I picked up this wire frame at the dollar store and this loop it yarn. I'm going to wrap the frame in the loop it yarn, and then I'm going to attach the bunny ears to the top, and I think it's going to be super cute. So stay tuned for that. Of course, the dollar store is great for finding things to organize your home. I found this paper towel rack, but I'm going to use it in my bathroom to store toilet paper. It fits 3 rolls and then it tucks in behind the toilet, and it's really high quality. It's like metal, and I think this is going to be a great tool in my bathroom for saving space. Of course, the dollar store is a perfect place to pick up Easter basket treats, and it's a good idea to get them early because that's when the selection is the best. I love these little chocolate bunnies. They're real milk chocolate, and I love these jelly beans. You have to have jelly beans for Easter. And what I like these too is for displaying. So I have cute little jars that I got from the dollar store. This is a really cute one too, and you can fill it with jelly beans. I'm going to use my Cricut to write jelly beans on the jar, and I think that's going to be cute on a tiered tray, and of course it's a yummy snack. So the dollar store always has good deals on dishes. I love these large porcelain plates. I'll open them up to show you. As you can see, they're really nice. I love white dishes. They are versatile. You can dress them up, dress them down, but these are a great deal. 2 in a box, and I picked up a couple boxes, and they're something you should keep a lookout for. So I'm really excited about these cute Easter bags. They're made of a really good quality burlap, and I think they're cute just as an Easter bag, but my plan for these is to make pillows out of them. I'm going to stuff them and use some hot glue to seal the edges, and I think it's going to be super cute. Another thing, if you're planning on doing a craft like this, is instead of buying the expensive pillow stuffing at the store or the wreath forms, these dollar store pillows, you can cut them open and use the fill. And so stay tuned, I'll be sharing this craft really soon on my blog too. So I found this really cute knitted bag at the dollar store this week, and I just love the color. I think this is perfect for spring. I could store my produce in it and hang it up, or it's a great bag to stick in my purse, to take to a store or to the farmer's market, but I thought this was really pretty. I love a piece of decor that is inexpensive and makes a big impact. So I love these vinyl backed tablecloths for different occasions. I have one right now for Valentine's Day, and I thought that this one was super cute for Easter. And they're really inexpensive, and I really like these. So the dollar store has a lot of really cute ideas for Easter baskets, but I found these ones yesterday and I think they're just adorable. They have, like, I don't know if you can see, like little paws, little plastic paws, I am planning to use my Cricut to personalize these, put a name on them, stick some tissue paper in and fill it with some treats. It's a good way to give a gift. I also found these adorable Easter eggs that you can fill with little treats, and they match this basket perfectly. So I'm super excited about this find. Of course, the dollar store has a large number of awesome, inexpensive craft supplies. This is one of my favorites, these little wooden panels. What I like to do is flip them around and decorate the inside. This is kind of a built-in frame. Pick up some dollar store paint in a bunch of colors, and you can make tons of signs. I love this little square shape. It doesn't take up too much space, and I can think of a lot of things that I'm gonna do with this for Easter, so stay tuned. As I said, I love the dollar store for crafting supplies. This year I found this adorable little beer mug and chain for St. Patrick's Day. I don't do a lot of decorating for St. Patrick's Day, but I think this is gonna be super cute on a tiered tray. I may make this into kind of a bead garland, but we'll see. But I thought this was really cute as a St. Patrick's Day. And for Easter, I've shared these before. I love these dollar store carrots, but I just wanted to point out they also come in this smaller size, so you can kind of see. I have some prints that you can print off and just stick these onto. I will leave the link to those in the comments below, but I think these are really versatile. They're cute to make a garland. I'm gonna be thinking of all kinds of fun things to do with these. So if you see these, pick them up and stay tuned. So that's it, 10 of my favorite finds this week. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you'd like to see more videos like this, I'll be sharing some fun crafting videos soon. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of that, and give me a thumbs up, really helps my channel. See you next time, bye.